Hello, folks. Welcome back to Martin's Adventure. And today, here we're hustling, running into the Ember Bank Arena where the Florida Panthers are playing the Philadelphia Flyers. We are late. We got stuck in a tremendous traffic jam on the Palmetto Expressway while it was thundering like crazy and heavy rain then on I 75 all the way to the stadium. So we are here now, and it's about to. They're already started the game probably like 30 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago, I would say. And so they're almost at the end of the first period. Here's the Florida Panther sculptures, plants that are trees, brushes. Here also we have the calendars. They were giving out magnet calendars, and this is the day I have circled, the blue one there, January 2nd, because the Winter Classic this year is here in Miami, Florida, and I can't wait to go to that on January 2nd. And now we're here inside the arena, waiting for the beginning of the second period. Score is 0-0 tied. And here we go, and I'll leave you with the sights and sound of the game. One thing I forgot to mention, here are the Stanley Cup banners for the last couple of years, 24 and 25, back-to-back champions, with our Eastern Conference championship banners too. This is game 2 of the new season here. Game 1 is when the banner was raised on Tuesday, today is Thursday, and here we go.
What we're looking to carry into the second. Paradigm Defense and Dimitri Kulikov, the two of you have roughly 2,000 combined games together. How do your styles complement one another? I think, it's like I said, he's killed that momentum, but like you said, we got it back at the end there, and it's what we're looking to carry into the second. Paradigm Defense and Dimitri Kulikov, the two of you have roughly 2,000 combined games together. How do your styles complement one another? I think, it's like I said, he's been...
Philadelphia penalty to number 46, Trevor Zegras. 2 minutes for interference. Time of the penalty, 3:37 of the second period. Zegras 2 for interference at 3:37. His first of the season, scored in the power play by number 15, Anton Lundell. Assisted by number 17, Evan Rodriguez. Philadelphia penalty to number 22, Christian Dvorak. 2 minutes for hooking. Time of the penalty, 5:57. First injury total of 25. And Philadelphia 9 for a two-period total of 15.
Okay, player 2, go ahead, roll your time. Player 3, get rolling. Player 1, very nice, try to stay in the middle. 3 coming in hot. All right, player 4, let's see what you do. Let's see if any of these tires stay in the middle. It looks like player 1 is our winner. Congratulations, you're in the AMI here at
Never hated on you. If I said it, then I meant it, I'ma stand on it. Quarter million, brother, we put my hands on it. Each rack separate with a band on it. King game, money.
So, folks, the Panthers win 2-1. Now the mad dash to the car with all the crowds of the arena coming out. And then the mad dash to the parking lot trying to exit the lot. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Go Panthers!